aerospace-grade titanium is meticulously scanned. This high-resolution 3D mapping process
The scan confirms no internal flaws detected. All green.
Excellent. The Z-11 components are cleared for forging.
Skirrets. The unique QR code ensures traceability throughout the Z-11 production pipeline.
Watch the alignment. It's steady. Bring it down.
We need to stabilize the gradient here. It's spiking.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Keep an eye on the core temperature.
The Z-11 rotor hub is subjected to an initial dimensional check. A robotic probe gently touches.
The Z-11 rotor hub forging is secured by hydraulic clamps before the CNC begins the first rough machining passes to remove the oxidized layer. The specialized carbide tool rotates rapidly, engaging the Z-11 rotor hub. A controlled stream of coolant
Run the pre-check sequence now. We need full green before engaging the main actuators.
Pre-check complete. Engaging hydraulics.
Safe. Following fatigue testing, the Z-11 rotor hub undergoes magnetic particle inspection. Under ultraviolet
allowing laser sensors to precisely measure.
A final optical scanner performs a 360-degree check, verifying the uniformity and thickness of the protective.
Make sure you get the lower groove there with the brush.
Yeah, almost done. This section is ready for inspection.
A protective sealant layer is applied to the Z-11 main rotor hub storage crate, ensuring its long-term protection against humidity.
The Z-11 rotor blade attachment sleeves are loaded for electrochemical treatment, applying a durable, protective oxide layer to the titanium surface.
The Z-11 rotor blade attachment sleeve emerges from the anodizing bath, displaying the uniform gray. The Z-11 helicopter rotor blade attachment sleeves are moved to a thermal testing chamber, subjected to rapid temperature.
This preparation ensures smooth and correct assembly and disassembly in the field, representing a final, critical step in the manufacturing.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Copy that. Moving it in slowly now.
Fully assembled rotor blades are carefully hoisted towards the main rotor hub. The Z-11 attachment sleeves are essential for this precise mating process.
All systems check out green on the hub assembly.
Confirmed. We are ready for the initial power sequence.
Gauge is set. Applying pressure now.
Reading confirmed. Zero play detected. The rotor blade attachment sleeves perform their critical function of load transmission during dynamic flight.
Rotor feedback is minimal, Captain.
Confirmed. Smooth as silk.